You are welcome to today's class. We'll be looking at linear equation, which is related to something basic we did at the primary school, which we'll be looking at very soon. Yes, you can all recollect these type of questions you did in primary 2, primary 3, which we call missing adding. We can equally say that you were learning equations in a way based on the level you were at. But this can be said to be an equation. So the equation we are going to look at should not be too different from this in terms of how it is going to be solved. So okay. So before we look at the linear equations, let's like x plus 5 is equal to 8. So we'll be looking at how to solve this, but let's look at what we need to do. Good. You need to know a number and its index. So when you pick 14, its inverse is negative 14. And when we add the 2, you get the sum gives us 0. Negative 32, the inverse will be 32. And when we add the 2, it gives us 0. P, the inverse is negative p, and when we add the 2, it gives us 0. Minus k, when we add the 2 plus the inverse, which is k, gives us what? 0. And the 0 is what we call what? Identity. So basically, we'll be using the concept of a number and its inverse to look at how to solve linear equations. We're looking at a number and its inverse to solve a linear equation. So let's go ahead. We have x plus 5 is equal to 8. We are going to add the inverse of 5, which is negative 5, to both sides of the equal sign. So this gives x is equal to 3. Take another one. X plus 12 is equal to 20. So the additive inverse of 12 gives us negative 12. So we add negative 12 to both sides of the equal sign. Another one, x minus 13 is equal to 14. So what will be the additive inverse of negative 13? I'll give us plus 13. So we add plus 13 to both sides of the equal sign. So x is S27. Another one, x plus 1/2 is equal to 6/2. So we are over here, we are supposed to look for the additive inverse of half, which is minus half. We are supposed to add it to both sides of the equal sign. That will give us x is equal to 6/2 minus 1/2. So that gives us x to be equal to 5/2. Have x, let's take another x, minus 1/3 is equal to 10/3. So over here we need to find the additive inverse for negative 1/3, which is going to give us 1/3. So we add 1/3 to both sides. This is x is equal to 10/3 plus 1/3. And that gives us x to be equal to 11/3, which we can change into mixed fraction. 3 whole number 2/3. Let's look at A. 5/6 is equal to 6/6. So we need to look for the additive inverse of 5/6, which is negative 5/6, and add it to both sides. Add to both sides. So we'll have A is equal to 6/6 minus 5/6. And that gives us A is equal to 1/6. So we will end in the lesson here. Next time we'll be looking at other forms of linear equations in the form, let's say 2a plus 5 equals 6. Okay, so you should be thinking of that. So that is what we'll be doing next time. But let's revise what we have done today. So basically today we have talked about how to solve linear equations, and we we have looked at using the additive inverse. For example, when we have a plus 3 is equal to 10, we're supposed to use the additive inverse of 3 to both sides of the equal sign. So we have -3, -3. So a becomes equal to 7. So basically, we always add the additive inverse of the number where we have the variable. So next time we'll be using the same concept to learn the other forms of linear equations. Thank you for attending this class. Have a nice day.